Today class we learn colors name in Hindi. Today class we learn colors name in Hindi. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Yellow color. Yellow color. पीला रंग. पीला रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Green color. Green color. हरा रंग. हरा रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Red color. Red color. लाल रंग. लाल रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Brown color. Brown color. भूरा रंग. भूरा रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Pink color. Pink color. गुलाबी रंग. गुलाबी रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Black color. Black color. काले रंग. काले रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? White color. White color. सफेद रंग. सफेद रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Purple color. Purple color. बैंगनी रंग. बैंगनी रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Orange color. Orange color. नारंगी रंग. नारंगी रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Golden color. Golden color. सुनहरा रंग. सुनहरा रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Silver color. Silver color. चांदी के रंग. चांदी के रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Blue color. Blue color. नीला रंग. नीला रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Ruby color. Ruby color. गहरा लाल रंग. गहरा लाल रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Grey color. Grey color. ग्रे रंग. ग्रे रंग. Which color is this? Which color is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? Navy blue. Navy blue. गहरा नीला. गहरा नीला.